Passion is an emotion that is a driving force to creation. Passion. Remember what it was like when you first met the love of your life? Even if it was the love of your life for 3 months or 3 years or 30 years, remember the driving force? You couldn't get enough of this person. It was passion that drove you there. What about the thing that you love the most, that gives you so much joy, that gives you so much happiness that you could do it for hours and hours and hours? You forget to eat. You forget to shower. You forget to stop and look around, that you are so engaged with this thing. Find that thing that creates that passion. Find that thing. It might be different today than it is tomorrow, but today, this one thing creates passion in your life. Do it. Put a focus on the things that create passion. Make a list of the things that you just absolutely love to do, and do those things. Make a commitment to add more of that into your life. What would having more passion in your life bring you? What would it feel like to have more passion? You know, Amy and I used to look back at our lives and we look at the times where we were flirting with each other, and we talk about it all the time. And I always say to her, let's always talk about our new beginnings. Let's always talk about the music that we listened to and the things that the eyes that we made at each other. And let's think about those times that we flirted, because what does it do? It rekindles the passion that we have for one another. Think about the trips that you went on, the things that you saw, the adventure that you had, and create that passion again. It is only a split-second decision that you make that can create and reignite passion in your life, because that is what ignites creation. When I think about rock climbing and going outdoors, and I think about all these places that I've been in the United States where there's been these cliffs, I'm like, oh, I just love climbing so much. Do it more. Think about it more. Bring it into your life to create the passion, because it's passion that ignites the fire. It is passion that brings about joy. And if you can spend more times thinking about passion, think about things that bring out that fire in you, and do it more often, you will be in this energy of creation that propels you forward. And next thing you know, you are doing more things that bring you joy.